Alright, Pyros, next up, I'll put the picture up here where we have the Battle Drone by Miracle Fireworks. This thing looks like a little drone, you know, that you would fly. I do believe it's like a fountain, and then the spinners go off and up into the air. But let's see it in person. Battle Drone by Miracle Fireworks. I'm going to try to just scoot you up when they go up in the air, guys. Oh, nice little fountain. Heck of a blue flame off of that, guys. To red. Oh, I know you're seeing that. Oh. Red, white, and blue. Oh, to green. I tried to catch it as best I could, guys. That thing was wild. Battle Drone by Miracle Fireworks. Check it out. Such a cool item. Thanks for watching, guys. Till next time, Vex Pyro out.